Hi, in this video we can see that how we can configure global variable in a Spring Boot application and how we can access in our application. So first we can add one variable in a application.properties, just like app.name. One global variable we can add in application.properties, and second step is we can access that variables in a presentation here. For that @value this app name add here, and that variable need to catch in one variable. Now we can treat this variable in a console. So currently we just here null set, we cannot need any response. App name. Now we can restart the application and check global variable access or not. So first I open and clear out this console and open this and check in a browser. Hit 090 port, change here. Now we can check in console, it is print or not. Now practice. Now app name is practice. Now we can catch in presentation classes. We can access global variable @value annotation. It will help to access global variable from the application.properties. So that's it.